ดูอาร์มด็อกอะไร
Bangkok Airways Asia's boutique airline ขอบพระคุณค่ะ Ladies and gentlemen, we have now landed at Suvarnabhumi Airport. The time is now 3:23. Please remain seated until the aircraft has come to complete stop and the signal sign has been turned off. Please take your personal belongings and travel documents before leaving the aircraft. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment to protect yourself and other passengers from possible injuries. You can now turn on your mobile phones and electronic devices, but please refrain from receiving or making a call, as this may disturb other passengers. For your safety, please be careful when stepping off the aircraft. Please follow the instructions from ground staff and refrain from smoking, except in the smoking area. On behalf of Bangkok Airways, Captain Natapon and all crews, we'd like to thank you for flying with us and we look forward to seeing